My name is Chetan Makam, and I'm SVP and GM for our Global Blood Solutions business at Terumo Blood and Cell Technologies. And very happy to be here at AABB. We are showcasing Reveos, our whole blood automated blood processing system, which is a disruptive technology that helps blood centers process blood in a very different way than the traditional methods. It's been a long time coming, and it helps address the platelet shortages that many of the blood centers and hospitals are facing in the US today. And it helps to improve operational efficiencies while managing the donor base and making the most out of it, as well as a step change in technology for our customers. So we're very happy to showcase that new technology. Customers are very excited because, this is probably the most significant change in blood processing in the last few decades. Number one, it helps them be operationally efficient, which is always good. It's helping them to get more out of their donor base because of, there's always challenges with donors, so getting more products out of it, as well as, address some labor challenges that they have in getting, talent into the blood center. So it's helping on multiple fronts of, efficiency, donor base, labor. And so our customers are very excited to incorporate that into their operations.